Hello, dear viewer. The Pigeon Doctor's here. The Pigeon Doctor's here to protect you from that dastardly Vela. I'm only doing what's best for you. It's me, the Pigeon Doctor, at all times. The evolution of pigeons and Sigeons of all likeness are growing stronger, faster, better. They're ending up putting our life in jeopardy. But at the same time, they're boosting our strength beyond any other. Remember, it doesn't matter who wins. It only matters who loses. The plan is going extremely well, but the experiments must continue. The man somehow escaped with his crippled arms and legs, and he's somehow able to still post content, so I hijacked his account. The Aura Master of Ohio seemed to get past my plan to throw a sunflower cat down at him and cause his doom, but even that plan of taking out his organs didn't kill him. I might need to have someone else on the other end deliver the final blows. That's where it comes to you, the viewer. You have to do your best to live along the rules of him. And remember, I'm just a pigeon. The Pigeon Doctor. I'm a dangerous fellow, as you could say. If you don't want to mellow, then that just might be a cello of your doom. In the end, the Pigeon Doctor will always become victorious. Your doom and everybody's doom is coming soon. The evolution must grow. The evolution must grow. The evolution must grow! Whoa, what was that? Oh, today we're gonna be ranking top 3, types of birds. Number 3 easily has to be a pigeon. 'Cause pigeons are like, I don't know, they're pretty good animals. They're pretty good animals, you know what? I don't really have much to say about that. But wait, what are you doing? What are you doing?